Hee-jin, the former CEO of Adore, who once called herself the mother of NewJeans, is facing increasing scrutiny as evidence emerges that contradicts her statements about championing the group's independence. While she publicly emphasized the members' autonomy, mounting allegations suggest she may have had deeper involvement in critical decisions, raising doubts about her role as a true guardian. At the third hearing on November 27th at Seoul Central District Court, Min stated she never directed member Hani to appear at the National Assembly audit, stressing, "The girls don't just follow orders, they're not foolish." She even described accusations against her as degrading. However, these claims are now being challenged by detailed timelines and interactions. According to a dispatch report, Hani met with Min and her lawyer, a Sejong law firm attorney, for over 4 hours on October 8, 2024, just a day before she declared on a fan platform, "I've decided I will attend the audit alone." The close timing between the meeting and Hani's decision has led many to question whether her appearance was truly self-motivated. During the trial, Min dismissed such suspicions, saying, "How would a reporter know whether we were meeting or just hanging out?" However, the nature of a long discussion just days before a national-level appearance undermines the idea of casual interaction. Adding to the controversy is the Ignore Her comment scandal from September 2024. Hani had alleged during a YouTube live that an Kpop manager told someone to ignore her. However, a court judgment in October concluded the comment likely never occurred. Instead, text messages revealed that it was Min who first used the phrase "ignore her" in a Kakao Talk conversation with Hani. Moreover, CCTV footage showed Kpop members bowing first to Hani, contradicting the narrative that Hani was ignored. This reinforced the court's opinion that Min had played a major role in shaping the incident into a victim scenario, without substantial evidence. All these findings suggest a discrepancy between Min's repeated claims that NewJeans members are highly autonomous and her actual involvement. Following Min's dismissal in September 2024, the NewJeans members went live and voiced grievances about their treatment by Hybe, demanding the return of CEO Min Hee-jin and the original Adore. At the same trial, Hybe questioned Min's logic, asking, "If you call yourself the mother of NewJeans, wouldn't a true mother protect her children by saying they were unaware and merely followed orders?" The legal battle continues. Hybe terminated their shareholder agreement with Min in July 2024, citing her attempt to privatize Adore and cause damage to Hybe and its labels. Min was dismissed from her CEO position in August 2024 and officially resigned as internal director in November 2024, informing Hybe of her intent to exercise her put option. This put option, a clause in the shareholder agreement, entitles Min to sell her shares back to Hybe at a price calculated by multiplying Adore's average operating profit over the last 2 years by 13, and then applying her 75% stake. This amounts to approximately 26 billion KRW, roughly 20 million. Hybe claims this option is void since the agreement was already terminated in July 2024, while Min argues that there was no breach on her part, and thus the termination is invalid. As the legal conflict unfolds, the public continues to question Min's behind-the-scenes role and the true extent of NewJeans' independence.